The hypodermic needle theory, two-step flow theory, and selective exposure theory explore the dynamics of media influence, evolving from early simplistic assumptions to more various understandings. Together, these theories show how media influence evolves and highlight the significance of social dynamics, context, and individual agency in influencing public attitudes and actions in the media-rich world nowadays. The hypodermic needle theory suggests that media messages have a strong, direct, and immediate impact on audiences. The term hypodermic refers to medical tools used to inject substances under the skin. The theory assumes media acts like a magic bullet, shaping public opinion and behavior effortlessly and uniformly. The two-step theory, including indirect media influence. Media affects people indirectly through opinion leaders, not directly. Second, role of opinion leaders and influence others by explaining them. Examples in marketing and health, people trust influencers and experts more than direct ads or health campaigns. Pros and cons, messages become more relevant but can change depending on the opinion leader. Changing media power. Media influence depends on social connection, not just direct exposure. People avoid information that contradicts their beliefs and seek content that aligns with their views to reduce discomfort. To maintain a mental balance, individuals reinforce their existing worldview by selecting supportive media. Impact in key areas. This behavior is common in topics like politics, social issues, and religions. Effect of digital algorithms. Social media and streaming platforms personalize content, creating filter bubbles and echo chambers that limit diverse perspectives. Challenge and the solution. Understanding the theory can help address issues like polarization and misinformation while encouraging open discussions. Theory breakdown. Hypodermic needle theory or magic bullet theory is popular in the early 20th century. This implied that mass media had a direct, immediate, and powerful effect on its audiences. The Pain Fund studies of the 1930s, a series of research projects conducted in the United States that investigated the impact of movies on society, particularly children and adolescents. Mass media can directly influence large groups with carefully designed message, triggering the desired response. It delivered information in a powerful one-way flow from sender to receiver. Next, the two-step flow of communication hypothesis was first introduced by Paul Lazarsfeld, Bernard Peterson, and Hazel Goddard in The People's Choice. The 1944 study focused on the process of decision-making during a presidential election campaign. These researchers expected to find empirical support for the direct influence of media message. However, they were surprised when they didn't. Then exposure to radio or newspaper as sources of influence on voting behavior. Armed with this data, Katz and Lazarsfeld developed the two-step flow theory of mass communication. These are the main concepts of the two-step flow theory. First, media influence. Second, role of opinion leaders. Third, social context. Fourth, application effect. Fifth, message adaptability. And lastly, credibility of opinion leaders. Selective exposure. This theory posits that people actively seek out information and media messages that confirm their existing beliefs and avoid information that may create cognitive dissonance or challenge their established opinions. There are six key points of selective exposure theory. These are the main concepts of selective exposure theory. First, confirmation bias. Second, avoidance of cognitive dissonance. Third, partisan media and echo chambers. Fourth, filter bubbles. Fifth, selective perception. And lastly, selective retention. In conclusion, the hypodermic needle theory criticized for oversimplifying the effect of media, despite its belief that media has a direct and powerful influence. The two-step flow theory contends that opinion leaders filter messages and that media influence is indirect. Echo chambers and filter bubbles are caused by people seeking information that confirms their beliefs as explained by the selective exposure theory. By demonstrating how the media contributes to polarization and disinformation, these theories highlight the importance of critical thinking. To tackle these issues now, it can be helpful to encourage a variety of media consumption and open algorithms.